How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open WhatsApp application with your account. So now from here, you'll have to send that profile picture whom you want to add as in profile picture on your WhatsApp. So from here, you can send that pictures to someone on WhatsApp, or you can also send it to yourself. So right now I am sending in my group. Alright, so simply from here, tap on attachment just at the bottom right corner. Okay, tap on gallery. Okay, so from here, you'll have to choose that picture. Alright, so after you choose that picture, you'll have to just tap on this SD option just at the top right corner. Okay, so now after you set the image to HD quality, you'll have to just tap on the send option just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so now after you send this HD quality image, you'll have to just save it from here. So simply open this image. Alright, so now from here, tap on three dot just at the top right corner. Okay, tap on save. Alright, so after you save the image successfully, you'll have to just back from here and tap on the three dot just at the top right corner. Okay, tap on settings. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile picture. Okay, so from here, you'll have to again tap on this camera option. And now from here, tap on gallery. Okay, so from here, you'll have to choose that picture whom you have been set to SD quality. So you have to select this image. Alright, so now from here, you can easily resize this picture. And after you've done this from here, you'll have to just tap on this done option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully set this SD quality image picture on my profile picture. So this is the easiest and simplest method to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing its quality. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.